Want to delete your YouTube account? In 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how. First, sign into the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Open YouTube, click your avatar in the top right, then choose Settings from the menu. Select Channel Settings or Advanced Settings and look for Account or Channel options. If needed, click Manage your Google account and go to Data and Privacy. Scroll to more options and find Delete a Google service or delete your Google account. To remove all your YouTube content, choose Delete a Google service and click the trash icon next to YouTube. You may be asked to re-enter your password or verify with two-factor authentication. Read the warnings carefully. Deletion removes videos, comments, playlists, and is permanent. Check the confirmation boxes and click Delete to permanently remove your YouTube channel. If you want to keep other Google services, download your data first with Google Takeout. Summary: sign in, go to Settings, choose Delete, confirm. For help, visit support.google.com.